I'm going to spend the next 3 minutes talking to you about 24-hour credit inquiry and whether or not that's legitimate and if it's something that you should consider doing. For those of you who don't know me, I am Tanya Taylor, and I teach people how to repair their credit, budget, manage their debt, and invest, as well as a host of other wealth building strategies. In every video that I do, you will get an implementable strategy that you can start putting in place right away. For this video, I have a completely free guide on how to dispute item on your credit report. If you are interested in that, just put a comment below, free guide, and I will get that over to you. So as I said before, I'm going to be talking about 24-hour credit repair and whether or not it's legal. So one, it really is legal, but there is a caveat. So first of all, there are really only two scenarios under which you can have that 24-hour credit repair work for you. And I want you to listen carefully because it's very important that you follow these steps. And these have to do with hard inquiry that's on your credit report. So generally, when you get your credit report, if you take a look at it, you will see two different types of inquiry. One is called a soft inquiry, and it has no impact on your credit report. So you really don't need to do anything about it. And then there is what's called a hard inquiry. And how that comes about is generally if you authorize a company to look at your credit file. So if you're applying for a mortgage, or if you are applying for a new loan or something of that nature, but you have given authorization to have your credit report pulled. Now, if you look at your credit report and you see hard inquiries that you did not authorize, it could mean that you are a victim of identity theft, or a company just pulled your credit report without your authorization, and you can actually have that removed. And the process that you go through is as follows. One, you cannot pay someone to do this. A lot of times you see people online and they're saying, we can repair your credit in 24 hours, and they're charging you a fee. If you try to pay someone to do it, the person is going to be impersonating you. You contact the company yourself because the company will only speak to you. So make sure that you are doing this yourself. That's the first criteria. You do not need to pay anyone to do this. And the second criteria is that you must have a legitimate reason for calling the company to have this removed. And your reason could be, I did not authorize this company to pull my credit file, or I am a victim of identity theft. My identification was stolen. So once you call yourself and you have your legitimate reason, they will remove this hard inquiry from your credit report within 24 hours. Now, hard inquiry does pull your credit score down if you have too many. So if you are having a number of those removed, you can see an increase in your credit score in a very short period of time. So in this video, I promised that I would talk to you about whether or not 24-hour credit repair is legitimate and or legal. And as I've demonstrated to you, it is. So you definitely want to pull your credit report, check to see if there's a lot of inquiries on it that you did not authorize, and get those removed so that you can increase your credit score. Again, I have this free guide on how you can dispute item on your credit report. Just put in the comments below if you'd like to have these report, and I will be happy to share it with you.